Z, and I'm here with another vlog. And I know I have not vlogged in quite some time, and it's not because I don't want to, guys. It's just like literally all this stuff has been happening, besides California taking all my money and the crackheads stealing all my recording equipment and all that kind of stuff. So I've just been trying to get back on my feet and, you know, trying to bust out some content. So I'm really eager to make content for you guys, and I just have not been able to because, yeah, my car works, but I'm legally not supposed to be driving this because I have a state ref on the car since the last time I got it impounded. And that's why I don't really like going to the meets and stuff, because it's kind of burnt right now. I have an idea that I don't know if you guys would be interested for content, is taking you guys to work. I actually work at a shop. We work on all kinds of cars. We work on normal cars, we work on race cars, we work on pretty much everything. So I'm gonna be taking you guys with work, and if you guys give me good feedback and if you guys enjoy the video, I'll keep bringing you guys with me to work, and maybe it'll be an everyday thing. I don't know. So leave a comment if you guys like today's video, and hopefully you guys do. I'll see you guys inside the shop to show you some of the stuff we're working on, because we have a load of cars right now that we need to work on. Wait, guys, I am recording on my GoPro, so if the audio is not all there, I am so sorry. And also, if the camera's not even pointing the right way because I can't see where I'm shooting, I'm sorry about that too. So we have this G35 right here. As you can see, it's missing a motor. I cleaned everything on the sides and in the back. We had put a motor in it, but the freaking motor that we got, check it out, sedan manual. Sheesh. Yeah, so we had bought a motor. The motor wasn't good anymore. It was like, I think the timing was off, so we had to take that motor back out, and then we're just waiting for another motor to come in so we could do the swap twice. That's how it usually goes. We also have this SDI here. He's doing like these ball joint mods. Check out his wheels. Also doing a wheel install. But he got this like roll control thing. It's pretty cool. Ball joints go in here. And then it's a 14mm bolt that holds it in. You gotta take it out from the bottom. It's like this. We got Rudy in the vlog. Hey, my boy Edgar in the vlog. Oh, shit. Then we have, this is the G motor that we had bought with the 50,000 miles, I believe, but it's not even working. So this is there, ready for them to pick it up. This is to G37 that's outside. It's a VHR motor. I think he has like 40,000 miles on this, or 30,000 miles. I think super clean. This is another project we have. This is my motor, the infamous great white motor that blew on the freeway. This is the original motor that was in the G over there. This is the one that it just wouldn't turn on anymore, so they swapped it. This is Angel's DE motor, another DE graveyard, VQ graveyard really. And then that Porsche over there is just clapped. I don't know what the hell's wrong with this. Basically, we had to take, where is it? This out of the original ball joint, which was apparently super tough to do. So we got it on, so now we're just trying to finesse it in.
Be calling, left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone.
So this is just came out the other side. This is the cone that has to come off. And now we're gonna go to Felipe so he could take out the cone. Una más, porfis. Your man's Miguel over there. You alright, man?
You know how to take this one off? I tried, but...
Which one? What? How to take what off?
This off. That one that goes.
Oh, that's right. We gotta do that one too. You can hammer it. Oh, it's locked. No, not like that.
Up?
No, not like that either. If you hammer it, you gotta hit it here.
Okay.
On the black thing right there. Typically, when you're taking out this arm, they usually get stuck, so you would hammer here, put a nut on it so you don't fuck up the thread. You hammer right there, just hammer the shit out of that, and it'll fall, it'll come loose. Ta-da! Now we're replacing that with. Oh, you have it already?
Yeah.
Oh, well, it looks like this.
One with the old and with the new.
Sheesh. All right, Edgar stripped a bolt.
No, I didn't.
Trying to take off this clutch. Oh. So this is from the DE motor that we bought that's collapsed. So we put on the clutch that it originally had. So now we got to take it off. Now we're using this key right here to go on these. And typically this comes off, but it's stuck in there for some apparent reason, so we're just taking out the whole thing.
On my shoe again. Wow. These boots are gone, man.
Oh, look.
These boots are gone. I even feel with my sock.
Two Subies, the old and the new. Sean's Genesis here now, same owner as that G over there, the one that was down there. This thing's ready to roll. I think we're changing the CSC on this thing. So we gotta pull out the trans, change the CSC. Yeah, we're changing out the slave in this.
On this one?
Yeah, on the trans. It's like HRs and VHRs. It's internal, so you gotta pull out the whole the whole trans.
Oh, that's kind of annoying. Right, you gotta get the fitment.
Sheesh.
Show them what's up.
Sheesh.
Is it bag too or
No, I highly doubt he's back.
battery?
And then we got Eric here too at the
You
shop.
already know how to bring the Z in. They're about to get me right.
He's trying to get
I get that
this.
before and after action. Shit.
Sheesh.
They're about to transform this.
We got the Spider-Man Z.
That's Spider-Man Z for real, bro.
Sheesh. YouTube. Yeah. Yeah.
Sick. That's sick.
Oh, it just cut out? It's straight down?
I have an exhaust, but I have an external wastegate right here.
Oh, okay.
You guys set up.
The horsepower is efficient. No clue yet. You don't know?
I think I'm reaching my cap with my injectors are what's holding me back now. I think I'm gonna hit 370.
370?
Realistically, 400 if I want to be a little nice to myself. 350 if I want to be super duper realistic with myself.
Yeah, like keep it reliable.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's sweet. It doesn't need to go fast. It just needs to drift really well.
Yeah. And that's more than enough.
Yeah. And I just,
That's perfect.
I just put these new coilovers in too, and
They look good.
they're expensive, dude.
Yeah.
What kind? They're Fields. Field 441. So.
Jeez. So now we're on lunch. Busy day at the shop. Grubbing out. Hey. Watching some COD.
Exposed.
There we go.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah. All right, cool. So we gotta take the trans off. So he's doing that. We just unbolted the drive shaft. I don't know why I always want to say diff. It's just, I don't know. I think it's because the D's and the D's. I don't know.
Well, it attaches to the diff in the back.
Yeah, but like, still. So we just unbolted this. We still gotta unbolt that side. Right now we're taking off this shield. So.
Oh my eye.
Oh no. So. This is actually kind of a pain to get out. We're gonna have to.
Yeah, that.
Can we just hold this
yeah,
like
just
this?
leave it like that.
Alright, cool. So yeah, it's hanging.
I know what it is. I know what I am and what I like. If one day I end up becoming something else, everyone will know. But for now, I'm straight. Actually,
Right there. You should be good.
Yeah.
No,
No,
No.
not fully yet. Oh shit.
you drop.
Huh?
You drop.
Drop?
Drop this.
Are you sure?
Yes. A little bit, not a lot. Do you have room?
Okay.
Keep going. There. You're off. You're off. You could come straight down.
Oh shit. Let me see.
You're fine. You don't have to hold on to anything here.
This drive shaft is. Dude, it came off from making it. Oh.
What are you?
It's hitting this thing.
Where are we?
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Now?
Yeah, go ahead and drop. Keep going. Keep going.
Oh, okay. I was like, no. I was like, it's yanking it down.
Alright, we're clear.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I want to change it, at least get it back up. Since it has to go this way. Yeah, see?
And then gotta salvage this. Put this.
Easy. Come on, guys. I don't know what the fuck going on.
Alrighty, so we got the trans on. Now it's time to head out. Come back tomorrow and bleed the clutch, and it'll be all ready. This will be done whenever. Alrighty. Sheesh. Nighttime. Spent my whole day here. So that's a wrap, guys. That was my day at the shop. You guys got to see how I work and basically how it moves around here. Cold start for the Z. Sheesh. If you guys like these kind of videos, like basically the shop videos, you know, of us working on other cars and that kind of style vlog, let me know in the comments below. It'll mean a lot. That way I could get some feedback and I could keep making these kind of videos, because I have no problem making videos of me at work, because basically I'm getting paid to do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys subscribe if you're new to the channel. See you guys tomorrow.